In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use edge crease in Blender to enhance your 3D models. This technique is particularly useful when you want to control the sharpness of edges after applying a subdivision surface modifier. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, understanding how to refine your model's geometry adds a layer of sophistication to your work. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your object selected in object mode. This is where we start refining our basic shape into something more polished. Next, we head over to the modifier properties, which you can find by looking for the little wrench icon. It's quite easy to spot in the properties panel on the right side of your screen. Click it, and then proceed to add a subdivision surface modifier. This modifier is key as it smooths the object, but can also round off edges that you may want to keep sharp. Finessing these transitions is where edge crease comes into play. Now, switch into edit mode by pressing Tab. This enables you to select and manipulate specific parts of your mesh. Here, we focus on selecting the edges that you want to remain sharp despite the smoothing effect of the subdivision surface modifier. A neat trick here is to use Alt plus left click, which quickly allows you to select an entire edge loop. If there are multiple loops or edges you want to address, you can hold both Shift and Alt, then left click to add to your current selection. Once you've highlighted the necessary edges, it's time to apply the edge crease. Press Shift and E together to bring up the edge crease menu. This feature is fundamentally about controlling the influence that subdivision has on your selected edges. By moving your mouse, you can adjust the crease value. The farther you move it to the right, the sharper the edges will be. As you make these adjustments, you'll notice your selected edges turning purple. Pay attention to the shade. Darker purple signifies a higher crease value. If you push the value all the way to 1, the edge will be completely sharp, maintaining its crisp definition even under the subdivision surface modifier. These steps might sound detailed, but they are straightforward once you get the hang of it. Remember, mastering these smaller details in Blender can significantly elevate the quality of your 3D models. Practice is essential, so take your time exploring how different crease values affect your model's look. This small adjustment can make a big difference and allow you to create a more visually compelling and structurally precise design. Thanks for tuning in, and happy modeling.